Hi guys, most of them get answer 16 for this problem. It is wrong. Here 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Here 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Negative and negative is positive. 4 times 4 is 16. This is wrong. As per the order of operations, PEMDAS, here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Addition subtractions are equal priority. Priorities are here 1, 2, 3 and this is for 4. For multiplication and division and addition and subtraction, we have to follow this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to do this problem in correct way by using order of operations PEMDAS. As per the PEMDAS, bracket we have to complete first. So 1 minus 5 times 1 minus 5 is negative 4. Here subtraction and multiplications. Now we have to do this multiplication first because multiplication is higher priority than the subtraction. So 1, here minus into minus is positive, here it is 20. Now 1 plus 20 is 21. This is the correct answer.